Welcome back to What's Inside. Today we are going to see what's inside of starfruit.
Starfruit. Don't
You
know
ever
what
heard of that
is.
before? Yeah, a lot of you probably haven't heard what it is. So today's video is sponsored by Brookside, and they challenged us to live a surprisingly delicious lifestyle and try new things. So we're trying this. Starfruit.
What?
That's starfruit.
What in the world? It actually looks like a star, like at the top of this thing.
No, kind of not. This
Well-
is a starfruit. We are going to taste this fruit that is super random, and
It looks so weird. It looks like somebody like cut an orange or an apple just off of little
but first we need to
slices.
learn how to cut it like this. Stars. I cut it.
You cut that?
Yes, Mom helped a little bit. It looks like little stars. We are going to taste this and get our reactions and show you how to cut starfruit yourself. This is something that you just get at a grocery store.
Have you tried it yet?
No. And the whole reason why we are stepping outside of our comfort zone and trying a new exotic fruit is because of our sponsor of today's video, Brookside Dark Chocolates. Starfruit, move over Starfruit. Here comes Brookside Dark Chocolate. So the two flavors that we have here are two of the most popular ones. One of them is with acai and blueberry.
I don't even know what
acai
acai
is.
is.
Like exotic fruit. Like that's pretty cool. It's kind of like the
Yeah.
exotic fruit that we're doing today. Flavors that maybe you wouldn't think to do all the time. And I'm not good at opening bags without a knife. I might know how to get inside of things usually, but when it comes to bags, I'm not good.
Nice.
Here we
job.
go. Smells really good. So Brookside Dark Chocolates.
It's like, looks like a blueberry.
This is the acai and blueberry flavor.
Oh, that smells good.
It does smell good. And it really is good. Like it's surprisingly delicious because I'm not always a huge fan of like chocolates and fruit together. But Brookside Dark Chocolates, I don't know what they did, but that combination, like acai and blueberry
And dark chocolate. And dark chocolate. That was good.
that's what makes it good, right? Next time you are at your local store, check it out. They're in most stores. And in the spirit of Brookside Dark Chocolates, of trying something unique and new, we are going to try something that we think is going to be pretty unique and new. I've honestly never tried it, even though I was born in the Philippines
Wow,
and
look
they
at
do
that
grow
one.
there.
That one looks like an actual star.
Yeah, so what's interesting is that we went into our local grocery store and we were like, let's find the most interesting fruit that we can find. And when we heard that this one, it's not its actual name of being a star fruit, but of course they coined it that because it looks so awesome when you cut
Look at this
it.
one. Look at this one.
Yeah, that looks cool. This is like a little craft project we're teaching you here, like a little cooking show. We're turning into a cooking show with the dog as our mascot.
The dog.
So in order to cut these, the first thing you do is you cut the edges off of them. Boom.
It's a star.
And boom, which yeah, they look like little stars. So the second thing that you do is you have to cut off this top part right here because I think it helps it look more like a star, but also apparently this doesn't taste as good, like that part of it. Okay, there we go. And then you cut it at the width that you desire. I'm gonna cut it like that, that's pretty big.
Oh, that's a good one.
They're just like these little stars. Just
How skinny of one can you do?
pretty skinny, but look at this. Look how beautiful that is. I made that. I mean, the earth made it, but look how
This
cool
one
that
looks
is.
really good. Look at that.
All right, so we are going to try something.
Stand up. Look, look, look.
Yeah, they stand up. You just stand them all up, little party guys. Oh, they don't, maybe don't all of them don't stand up. Oh, is it going to be surprisingly delicious? I don't know yet because I've never had it. Hopefully it doesn't taste as bad as durian because we ate durian once.
It can't be that bad.
And that was the stinkiest and grossest fruit I've ever tasted in my life. Try to bite. No! Look, it's there. I got a bite. I literally almost threw up.
Oh!
I'm not joking. Okay, we're both gonna take a bite.
It's like an apple.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's like a pear.
Yeah.
Pear and an apple combined.
It's like
had a baby.
the texture is like an apple, but it's like a bit less thick as an apple, you know?
Yeah. It's like a pear and an apple were the parents. And they had a baby. Let's pretend like that didn't hit my eye and fall on the ground.
Oh. Hey!
Durian to surprisingly delicious. Where does this fall on the scale?
It was 8, 9.
It's surprisingly delicious. The actual name for this is carambola. Carambola. But everybody's coined it as starfruit, and the entire thing can be cooked. So a lot of people use it in cooking or putting them in like relishes and things. Thank you to Brookside for sponsoring this video and challenging us to live a surprisingly delicious lifestyle and try something new, because I honestly would never have tried this
Here, try
if
it
they
again.
didn't challenge us.
Oh, like a burrito.
It does taste better when you take off this. This thing's a little bit like soury tasting, like the edges. Is soury a word? Ready? Timer? Ready, set, go. Edges, I forgot about that. Oh, that was a good cut. That was a good cut.
Mascot, are you watching this?
I'm going fast. I'm going fast.
Oh, that was close.
Hurry, chef. Yes, sure. Yes, head chef. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh,
5. Boom, boom, boom. And you have to eat the whole thing.
the mascot approves.
There you go. What's inside food edition? Starfruit. Try something new, guys.
Oh, that smells good.
It does smell good. It looks like little stars.